Good morning, all. I am Rajendra from Gravis. Gravis is a pioneer leading organization in Thar Desert, which is covering nearly 2,000 villages, communities. So we are putting proposal here, enhancing nutrition through women-led horticulture in Thar. So you must read about introduction of the project, but as title, so major partners, stakeholder, local CBOs, research. Oh, ah. So problem statement: farming communities in Thar, the face drought, malnutrition, lack access to proven agroforestry models, and we want to improve the nutrition and income sustainability led by the women, because this project led by the village women. So justification concerns about malnutrition, low income, limited drought fruit species. There is no women leadership. There is no women leadership. Expected change. We want to increase consumption of fruits among beneficiaries, vegetables, increase additional income through this program. Women led intervention significantly improve food and nutrition security in the community, and women become a vocal advocate and leaders in the society. Project objective is the five. So we examine feasibility of the local and indigenous fruits in drought food region, and we want to also understand, promote women-led community-based agroforestry model, uh, and also generate scientific and field-based evidence through this project, like care, khejdi process, cineraria, acacia senegal, domestic, and other species which is available and exist, and new also. So and develop and validate scalable women-led model in the community, so other people can adapt. So this is the community-based agroforestry unit. There is a fruit trees towards enhanced socio-economic and nutritional impacts in the society, and dietary diversity, health status, income generation, women empowerment, and overall well-being of the society in the community. Document and dissemination of the project learnings, experience, opportunities, challenges, and agroforestry, horticulture, the model, which is community led and women led, especially. So, how they contribute for the research and policy advocacy. Research area: climate resilience, including drought tolerance. Geographical location is the Thar Desert, agroecological region, Western Rajasthan, and three districts: Bardmer, Jaisalmer, and Jodhpur. Target intervention: we developing land use model, community-based agroforestry unit led by rural women, as we mentioned, promotion of drought-tolerant fruit species, which is existing and new one, both. Cows with fruit trees will be established for continuing assessment and drawing comparison plantation and other common areas. Our approach is the community-based and planning, during planning, implementation, and monitoring and evaluation. We assessment, we setting up assessment. These units will selected of consultation with the women, self-help groups, ILGs. Data collection method, qualitative and quantitative both. Yes. Some baseline assessment will document soil conditions, rainfall, and socio-economic profiles, along with current practices, cultivation, their consumption, marketing. Results will be evaluated through a end-line survey. Stage one methodology and implementation approach will be: stage one, preparatory and baseline phase, which is 3 months. We covered formation and orientation of team of the project, selection of the project sites for ground intervention, and PRA baseline need assessment tool will be adopted during baseline. Stage two, growth monitoring and adaptive management, which is 12 months. Setting up these units, 5 units, performance monitoring and plant growth, survival rates, yield performance, water use efficiency, soil mitigation, and good agriculture practices. And capacity building, strengthening. Stage 3, feasibility assessment, 6 months. Data will be collected and analyzed. Survival's value additions, market linkages, and impact evaluation for women empowerment, nutritional, and other social and economic outcomes. Stage 4, documentation, dissemination, and advocacy, 3 months. Dissemination of findings through workshops and policy dialogues with local institutions, agriculture departments, and research bodies, agriculture universities as well. Social and nutritional impact pathway, project outcomes and impacts. There is a 2, social and nutritional impact. So social impacts empower of the rural women as leader and decision makers in the agroforestry, strengthening their roles and climate resilient farming systems. Income generation through fruit cultivation, processing, value chain participation, improving household financial stability. These units strengthen community ownership and resilience by establishing participatory agroforestry units, promoting collective learnings and livelihood of those communities. Support replicability and scalability of documenting field experience, learnings, and evidence-based models. Nutritional aspect, increase the fresh fruit consumption through enhanced availability of the nutrient-rich, drought-resistant fruit like bear, kale, drumstick, pomegranate, or lasoda. Improved health outcomes by addressing micronutrients deficiency, ensuring dietary diversity, which is very necessary in Thar. It is very valuable. Affordable fruits with low income families. Those are not irrigated facilities, they are all dependent in the rain-fed farming. Increased agroforestry practices. These helps communities in improving their livelihood. Environment and climate advantage, enhance soil health and biodiversity. Adaptation of efficient water use methods for cultivation, because this area is very erratic rainfall and low rainfall. Promotion and adoption of drought resistant fruit species, which is already there and new we also introduce during our implementation this project. Land restoration through community based agroforestry units. Scaling sustainability and cost efficiency. This is community engagement lead to the community ownership and the gender equality, because the lead by the women. Documentation dissemination leads to the replication of the efforts. Budget total 49.8 lakh. So these are the breakup and leverage from organization stakeholder support of Gravis senior team of the field staff and existing facilities, plants from the research organization such as KAZRI, KVK, CIH, and other concerning departments. Technical expertise from research agencies, as I said, KAZRI, KVK, and agriculture universities, and kind and labor contribution from the local community. Plant survival, use of local species, ensuring good agriculture practices, training of communities, unavailability of water, using water efficient practices with drip, pot irrigation, moisture retaining, pits, etc. Community ownership related to issue. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The crops you have taken, those are important for Thar, but date palm and others, it will take some time to, the results will come, so that afterwards monitoring can be done. All those activities can be taken up after few years. Pomegranate may come, bear may come up, but others will take some time. So accordingly,
Crops,
that is important.
Yes. So we will include the in this program the technical institutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Sir. Sir, can we target separate groups? You have selected 3 districts
Yes.
of arid zone. Can we target one sacred grove in one district, and can we develop these sacred grove as model, because they are the community land and they are safe. They are very safe. So that can be done. And number two, we have a in situ grafting technique. We have lot of jhadberry, Gigi-first new malaria. Can we do budding? Next year we will get the fruit. Next year we will get the fruit and we will get the result. Very good result. I have experience.
जैसा मैंने कहा
Okay.
कि जो टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जैसे केवीके और काजरी का जो बेर है, सेव गोला,
हाँ,
कई तरह के, तो जो एग्जिस्टिंग प्लांट्स हैं उस पर जो
improve
बडिंग का
variety
काम
की
है,
बात मैं कह रहा हूँ,
जी,
सेब,
जी,
गोला, उमरान और भी कई वैरायटीज हैं।
existing जो जैसे आप देखिए
हाँ।
ओरण गोचर में वो तरह तरह के हैं, जैसे केयर का ओरण मिलेगा आपको, जीजीफएस का, तो उसके ऊपर कलम करने की जो आप सजेशन कर रहे हैं वो उसमें कंसिडरेशन। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और आपको एक सेफ साइट मिलेगी जो सेक्रेट ग्रुप है, दे आर वेरी सेफ और कम्युनिटी लेड है, तो दैट कैन बी द बेस्ट, यू नो।
डॉक्टर साहब जरूर उसको
because the sacred groups are very important in Rajasthan. We have thousands of sacred groups here, and the local communities, what you call Vishnoi community, they are very strict about cutting the tree here. But if you can promote the fruit trees there here, the tree will be safe, and the community can get the harvest of the fruits here. So I think it's a good suggestion that we should target for the community development. This sacred group in Rajasthan is very important landscape basically. So please see that.
नहीं जरूर उसको कंसीडर करेंगे डॉक्टर
हाँ,
साहब,
वो
बिल्कुल
very
करेंगे।
important.
May not be related to his project. Actually, in arid zone, we have the practice of roof water harvesting for drinking water, because we are living in a paucity of.
Yeah, when you talk about the household,
And we have a very good network of roads, particularly highways. We have a revolution of highways now in India. In arid zone, can we have developed this type of model? Can we think about the road water harvesting and its utilization in the roadside plantation, and that plantation can be used these fruit plants? So can we think about it?
no, this is a good idea because we are talking about roadside plantation is one of the major theme here. So maybe think about the different avenues of fruit plantation, not just thinking farmer field and agroforest system here.
Sure. So we have experience in arid horticulture units like Bayaf told yesterday, Wadi. So we have had arid horticulture unit, 20 plants units in the household level. So very successful. But roadside plantation you are saying is a very good. Yes.
You can think about roadside plantation, targeting these what you call that different landscape in Rajasthan.
Is a new
Orans are
opportunity.
there, big orans. In Jaisalmer, you have very big orans.
Yes,
Thousands of hectares of orans are there.
yes.
So there you can try to see how the community can be involved in those orans here.
Sure.
In Jaisalmer, Barmer, they are very famous about the orans here. So that is a protected area. You don't have to bother. Local community will be.
No one can cut the tree. No one can.
Yeah, so that's the
disturb it.
thing.
So this
Important.
is a self rule. Thank you.
This is a kind of a unique landscape idea.
Yes.
You can generate that idea. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.